Okay, let's look at two slope examples. Okay, so the first one is a line that's going in the direction, it's going up. If we read it from left to right, the line is going up. Okay, so let's say we're finding slope. So I'm gonna pick 2 points on my graph. So let's say I pick this point and this point. I'm gonna determine the rise over the run. I'm gonna draw myself a little triangle here, and I'm gonna figure out the rise, which looks to be 1, and the run, which is 2. So I can see that my line is going actually up 1 over 2 every time. So it's going up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2. So it's got a constant rate of change, or a constant slope. And I'll say the slope, or we were saying we use the letter m to represent slope. So m is equal to 1 over 2. And we notice the slope is positive. So it's going up and to the right. Okay, let's check out what happens when a line is sloping down to the right. So if you looked from left to right, this time our line is going down. So if we were going to calculate the rate of change, so we say we picked 2 points on our graph. Let's say I pick this point and this point. And then I look, and this time I'm going down and to the right. So I'm going down 1, 2, 3. So 3 is my rise. I'm going to say -3 kind of, since I'm going down 3. And then I'm going over to the right 1, which is like a positive 1. Okay, so I'm going to say the slope this time for rise over run is -3 over 1. And you can see every time to get to the next point, I'm going to go down 3, 1, 2, 3, and over 1. I guess another way of looking at it would be if I'm going to the left 1 and then up 3, but then I'd be going left 1, so that'd be like a negative. So it doesn't really matter where you put that negative sign. You could put it with the 3. You could also just stick it right in between the fraction. The point is that your slope is negative. So you've got -3 over 1, or I guess you could have just said -3 is your slope.